Hello and welcome. We are with Poonam Mahajan, MP, BJP. Poonam, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
How do you think social media has changed the face of political campaigning in India?
Let me start this way. India has won. This one tweet, actually with a clear mandate. This was the only opening to the country, not even by media. Social media did the opening by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that India has won. And that opening of one tweet showed that how social media is important to us and how social media has penetrated so strongly in India and with Indian thought process completely differently.
Okay, research shows that people follow politics on social media, like they
Quite a
really
lot, yes.
consume politics on social media. So how important is social media for a party like BJP?
Actually, BJP is the pioneer pushing for social media. When we were in the government, NDA government, the first before this, the Information Technology Ministry was created specially to work on internet, social media, information technology, software, hardware, everything, how we actually connect the world completely. So this is how we started as the party in the NDA government. Second, most importantly, now if you see, you must have seen the number 2014 Jan to May, I guess almost 56 million people discussed politics on social media with Twitter or Facebook or any other aspect they could use or any other platform they could use. So somehow social media has penetrated quite a lot, and especially this election has been a big example for us.
What are the advantages of using social media as a platform?
And a disadvantage also.
And the disadvantages, yes.
Advantage, yes. You can't reach everywhere. You know, we used to always dream and watch a movie where the time machine will come and I'll just close my eyes and reach somewhere. You know, those kind of imaginations were only imaginations. But internet, high-speed internet, connectivity with people from wherever you are, I think that has been possible in past 20 years, and we can see that. So when I'm doing something in my constituency, it's quite a big constituency in Mumbai. If I'm doing something in Hiranandani Pawai Garden, and I want to tell my people in Bandra also that I'm doing this here, so it's the best platform, social media. I can just upload my photos, what I'm doing, what I'm thinking about, what my future plans are, or something I'm doing for Northeast, what I did before, what I'm doing it now. So every information and digital footprint is the thing which we have to work on, and every person from BJP, from my party I can say, is looking forward to it and working towards it.
What then in your mind are the disadvantages of using social media?
Yeah, actually when you're an elected representative, sometimes the questions and answers and anger and sometimes a lot of trolling, it does happen, and it sometimes upsets you, teaches you a lot. Yes, so there are pluses and minuses and everything, but it's much better when it's on social media, so you don't come face to face. Maybe that's actually the disadvantage into an advantage.
Virtual versus real, what would you choose?
I always say this, that virtual to real, it's just about the connectivity, how the real world has been placed virtually so strongly, and it's all about that fringe element, and you have to balance the both, because you are the real person and you have to have the real connect. But somehow the virtual world has become the emotion of people, and those emotions, that dependability has to be balanced. So I hope every young generation which is completely dependent on the virtual world comes back to the real world, come on that fringe and balance it well. That's what my expectation will be.
Going forward, what kind of a role do you think social media is going to play, particularly with politics?
Huge, huge. As I said, more than 50 million people discussed in 6 months politics. Past this election, Lok Sabha election, in that election, there were 5 biggest retweets happened in India. 4 of them were by Narendra Modi. Something was mentioned about him, or he said something about it. So I think he made the social media platform quite big, enlarged it to social media was a certain amount of people could use it with certain amount of language barrier was always there, but it just reached, though social media we can connect WhatsApp also to it, and I see the connectivity has reached quite a lot. And social media, I can't say it's the future, it's already here. It will be just going wider and wider, but again I say virtual and real world connectivity is very much required with a balance.
So how active are you on social media?
I think that's why I'm invited here. But yes, I can't say quite a lot, but yes, what I don't use social media for my personal use, but I do social media to connect with people. What professionally as an MP, what I should be doing, what I'm doing, what my future plans are. So whatever I'm thinking, I always connect with people professionally. Yeah, there are other aspects also with social media that. You can connect with people with your own thought process, but for me, I'm quite active on social media, but quite on a professional manner, that what as an MP, as a party member, what I should be doing. And there's quite a lot, you know, interaction is happening, and that's quite good. That's
Okay.
quite good.
So what are the three things that you'd say that you like about social media?
Um, as I said, easier connectivity, what we used to dream of. It just in one blink, you do good or bad. Even when you're tweeting, you have to really see it 2-3 times. My spellings are correct or not. In that 140 character, am I writing the right thing, what I'm supposed to write, and then how I elaborate it in my blog and then on my Facebook page. But when it comes down to 140 characters, it scares you. So I learned to be more, though it's a quick world, I mean, in one click, everything just is being displayed to everyone. But just be patient, see it through, what you're trying to put in front of people, because this will be studied, more seen, and judged. So think before typing and think before just pressing enter and put it across. Second thing I learned, a connectivity. The world has completely changed. There are small little things. Your smartphones, I think there are 10 million smartphone users in this country, 170 million internet users. And out of them, I can see a smaller person in our country who can be a maid or someone who's just doing a little work but has a smartphone. Maybe she might be earning less than 5,000 rupees a month, but she has a smartphone to connect with her music, her connectivity, her text, her SMSs. So somehow social media has taught us to be connected, be a little more dependent, which again I say balance is very much required. And third, most importantly, where I can't reach, my thoughts can reach. You know, first it used to be books or going through newspapers, and we used to, you know, send a sandesha on a horse or maybe with a pigeon. That's what we see it in few Bollywood films, but that's ain't happening now. It's just one click away. You can just forward the information, your thought, to people, and it's a brilliant platform. You just should know how to use it well, not abuse it.
What are the three things that you think you dislike about social media?
Again, I say it's dependability. It's like when you're sitting with friends and you have seen it personally or professionally, people just hold their phones, checking on social media what they're doing, what they're not doing, and that's somewhere that discontent, human to human contact, is just a little bit not there. I don't blame social media for that. I blame ourselves, that we should be deciding what kind of connectivity we want and how dependent we should be on technology. But yes, social media is very much, it's not I don't like anything about social media. Social media has given me a bigger platform. I mean, it just compact my working hours. It just in one box, or before I have to sit in the car, go a particular place, B particular place. Now that kind of, I can say my mehnat has come down. Somewhere I can just tell that this is what I'm doing, and it just reaches few million people. So disliking is just the dependability, as you've said, virtual to real world. Once that is done, I think social media is a brilliant platform. You should know, again I say, how to use it and how to connect with people.
You said you don't use social media at a personal level.
Yes, I don't.
Is there a particular reason why you don't?
I think people want to know what I am as a person, as an activist, as a member of parliament. I think that is where I put myself at. And then when I'm at home, my phones are also off for some time. So again, I connect I know the difference between a virtual and real world. I just want to have that best connect with virtual and real world. So professionally, people want to know about me, maybe because I'm from politics. If I would have been from Bollywood background, they would have wanted people to know about my personal life. So yeah, I just restrain it to my professional work, and that's what people want from me, I guess. And that's how I work on it.
And finally, what are you hoping that you'll get out of attending Social Media Week in Mumbai?
Actually, I'm quite honored that I'm the only member of parliament attending this. I just went through the list and I felt I'm thrilled and honored. I will be learning a lot. As I have said, that this platform has to reach, and we have a complete week. So, and the programs I've seen what you are doing are quite enriching, and for youngsters to understand what social media is all about. And it'll reach to the people, social media as a base, how to use it to uplift our thought processes, to uplift our thinking, what we should be doing, and the connect of, as I always say, when I fought for my election, I always use this module with my people in Bandra, that I want to go on a PPP module, a public politician partnership. So that partnership has to come with social media. So somewhere that connect, it's just a circle which we have to connect it. So social media in this whole concept, the media, the week, this week will teach us a lot. Connect with different type of people, how they use social media for good and bad, and how we should avoid the bad and go on with the good. So I will be learning a lot, and I have a lovely panel to chat with, and we already started chatting before the discussion. I hope the discussion goes well, and I learn a lot from them, and I hope they learn something from our Indian political social media concept.
All right, Poonam, thank you so much
Thank
for
you
joining
so much
us.
for having me here. Thank you.